A quiet apartment lights up with a small note left on the fridge, turning a minor rift into a doorway for repair. Each day, a tiny apology phrase and a sincere smile rewrite the moment, preventing resentment from taking root. Researchers call this micro-repair, a deliberate kindness that preserves trust when stress sneaks in through busy schedules. The ritual costs almost nothing, but shifts tone from accusation to curiosity, inviting conversation instead of defensiveness. In the end, consistent small apologies become a map that guides couples back to connection long after the fights fade.